I was in the middle of turning my favorite sandwich into a salad and realized I was out of the salad dressing that goes with it. So I thought that I would show you guys how easy it is to make Thousand Island dressing at home. It only needs 3 ingredients and a few spices. We're gonna start off with a mason jar, or any bowl will work fine, and a small whisk. You want 1 cup of mayonnaise. Any brand is fine, but don't use Miracle Whip. That's not gonna work in this recipe. 1/4 cup of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish. Now, if you don't like your Thousand Island dressing sweet, you can certainly sub in dill pickle relish. And we do that sometimes when we turn this into fry sauce. Jeff prefers the dill pickle. I prefer the sweet pickle. And then we have a few spices. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of pepper, which is about 1/4 teaspoon. Make sure you get them all out. Now you can put a pinch of salt in if you need to, but I usually don't, because I find that between the ketchup and the mayonnaise that there's plenty of salt in here already. And then just whisk it up. And there you have it. With 3 ingredients and a few spices in under 3 minutes, you have just made a delicious homemade Thousand Island salad dressing, and you can customize it in so many different ways. Want it a little spicy? Put in some hot sauce. All right, now let's get this on the Reuben salad that I made. I love a grilled Reuben, which is corned beef, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, with Thousand Island dressing on a grilled rye toast or rye bread. So I decided to turn it into a salad. What I have here is some drained sauerkraut, some romaine lettuce, finely shredded cabbage, some, of course, corned beef that I just got from the deli and just sort of pulled apart to put in the salad, and then some cubes of Swiss cheese. To that, we will add in some rye croutons that you can make from the rye bread and make them right in your air fryer. They take no time at all. And then we're gonna top it with some delicious Thousand Island dressing that we just made homemade. All right, so let's get this into the bowl. Oh my gosh, I am looking forward to this. I love a Reuben, but sometimes I don't really feel like standing there and grilling it up. So I thought this is gonna be a great way to get all those flavors in a nice quick salad. All right, that's it. Now let's get a spoon and spoon some of this delicious dressing right over the top. Now, if I was gonna serve this to a lot of people, I would actually pour the dressing right in and toss it all together, because it coats every little piece, and when you serve it to your guest, it's just delicious. But I'm only gonna eat 1 little bowl, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of Thousand Island dressing right on top, and let me give it a taste for you guys. I am just developing this recipe for this salad, so I don't even know what it tastes like. This is the first time I've made it, so let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I think it's better than a Reuben. I cannot wait to get the salad recipe out for you guys. And make sure to make your own Thousand Island dressing. It's super easy.